Party of Ghana, yera Kofi Akpaloo. Na okasa watch say enei COP George Kufu Dampare wo ba behwe kire say IGP no ese fatapa say Ghana for wonum ebeta na chisire be ya na dwuma na wo ye no ebetimi akọ na yehunu eso emfaso
Ghana for nyina ese support no we should all give him the necessary support minu nyina because it may bo ano no successful. Nina say bambo no mu ayeden amaye nyina nti mesre Ghana fo nyina na emene ahoho a say Akufo-Addo appointment a why so far mpa miensa obo mudin fa IGP Attorney General prosecutor, independent prosecutor, any director of prisons, maintain say any political party and opposition member be raise concern about any of them. We show Mamunina so 50 and below. It's a good thing. It's a good thing for Ghana. Into Yemboa, no successful, they will stay in the service for long because Dampare 51. We do 60 no pension or 9 years then we will reforming the police administration. This year you know tarnish na ye boana. No so be tie no abre ne ho ase no aye adwuma na. Trust me. Ghana police will be on top.
Yet one so